Yeah, we are having it. Okay, so yeah, as you can see here, that firstly we have inserted some many values. Okay, like here you can see, firstly we have inserted 1 2 3, and because we are also having the fourth one, so when we were printing, so we got the four values, and after that we have deleted it. Okay, we have deleted the last value using the pop back function, and after that we have, when we have printed it using the iterator, yeah, we have got the values up to 3 only, because the last element is deleted by the pop back function. Okay, using the pop back function we can delete the elements from the last of it. Okay, so printing the values using the iterator. So this is the way how iterators are declared. I have we here we have to use the scope resolution operator for using the iterator. Okay, and then we can simply just give the iterator value number dot begin. It means the starting uh, pointer of it. Okay, then we can condition it like that the iterator should not end up, go up to the end of the number. Okay, okay, not it should not go up to the end of the container, and then iterator is increment, then it is just printing using the static. Okay, then yes, we are having some more functions, like we are having the size functions, clear function, and empty function. Yeah, I have already discussed about it in the maps and yeah, maps video. Okay, so there you can see all this. So yeah, let me explain it once. Clear function, what it does, that it removes all the element from the container. Okay, size element, it just prints the, or it returns the number of elements which are present in the container, vector container. And empty, it tells us that whether the container is empty or not. Okay, so here we are having all those functions. Okay, here you can see that we are using all of them. Empty, yeah, here I didn't have used clear function, I'll let you use after this. So firstly we are using what, size function, and which is giving us the number of elements, and the number empty, if it is giving equal to 0, that means that it is written, if it returns 0, that means it is not, the container is not empty, and if it is not 0, it means the container is empty. Okay, so let's go for it. Oh, I think I have again selected something. So yeah, here we are having some values 1, 2, and 3. 4 we are having already. So after that, what we have got? We have got the number of elements are 3, and then what we have printed also that it is not empty, because yeah, it is actually not. So just I'm deleting here all the elements. So here I can write deleting all the elements from the vector. Okay, so in the place of size we can write clear. Okay, we can write the clear function, and after that we can see whether what is the answer. At the last time we have seen that the, yeah, this function, I mean the container was not empty. So at, I guess I usually used to select some of the things. My god, what is this? I thought that it usually used to return. Yeah, it does not return actually. Okay, this thing never returns anything. So yeah, that's why it is giving the array. So now we have and should have entered the 10, then 20, then 30, then enter, because we are already having that 4. So yeah, here we have deleted all the elements. Then yes, it is empty, because yes, we have deleted all the elements, so that's why we have got that thing. So yeah, even yeah, if you don't know about how to use the 2D vector, so let me also tell you that for 1D vector there is like you just simply have to declare it like this. But for 2D vector, what you have to do here, you have to again initialize, what you have to write, vector. Okay, vector, then int here inside it. Okay, so this is what the oh wait, no, it is not working at this time. I really don't know why it is not working. Okay, maybe int, this was the reason. Okay, it's not working, I don't know why. It's really shocking for me. Okay, yeah. I hadn't tried that thing, so yeah, that's why. Yeah, now it is okay. So like this, you can initialize these 2D vectors, and you can use the values of it. Okay, so thank you very much, friends. If you really like this video, so hit the like button and subscribe for the latest updates. Thank you very much.